When you access the 3 demo sites, you will be in student mode and you won't be able to see the instructor-only access in the visual table of contents. However, when you download the course framework and install it into your course site, you'll be able to see the instructor-only section in the visual table of contents. If you click to access this section, you'll see that you have customization support. This is just a Google Doc that includes all the information and links to the tutorials that we have within the course framework site, just for easy reference as you customize your course. And you'll also see the Styles and Assets page. This includes examples of all of the various styles that you can apply to your text within a page, information on how to use this document, and then examples of all of the differently styled assets that you might decide to copy and paste into your content pages. So it's sort of like a library where you can copy each of these elements and paste them in your page as you're developing. So what I would do is I would open this in edit mode so that I can copy from here. And then in another tab, I'm just going to open up this same course site where I want to start developing or editing. I'll go into the module, and if I want to edit one of my pages, I'll just click and go to Edit HTML. And I've already got a few accordions in here. I also have a tab 1 and tab 2 asset, and I can always delete these if I don't want them. But let's say I want to add in a Jumbotron. If I come over here, I can find that Jumbotron, and I'm going to just highlight everything that I want to copy from here all the way down to right after this Jumbotron. I'm going to click copy, and I'm going to come back to the page that I'm editing and hit paste. Now I can update this with any of the content that I want to include. And then I can hit save and close. Now, if I thought I really wanted to probably use a lot of the assets on this page, I could just go to the source code button and click on that, highlight all of the source code and copy it, click on cancel, and then come back over to where I want to add a new page. Here I can click on upload and create a file, and then I'm going to click the source code button again. I'm going to delete what's there and paste in that source code from my assets page and click save. Now I've basically replicated the entire assets page, and I can go ahead and modify the content. So for example, if I don't want this content in here, I'll just highlight it and delete it. I can change any of the information that's in all of these sections. And I can do this with other lesson pages or content pages as well. If I like what I've done, I can just click that source code button, copy the whole shebang, and paste it in a brand new page. Then I hit save and close, and I can always come back and edit it further. So that's basically how you'll be using this Styles and Assets page. You probably won't need to replicate the entire thing, but again, it's here for easy access if you want to just copy certain assets and paste them into your pages as you develop.